Good day, user Dev MTB for your another Speed 1 Spectrum 3 review, and this time we're taking this bike to the extreme at Patiis Downhill Track, San Mateo, Rizal. And if you're new to my channel, I do videos on local trails and local races here in the Philippines. I also do bike and bike parts review. So if you're into this kind of stuff, feel free to join our community by subscribing to my Facebook and YouTube channel. By the way guys, sa mga bike shop owners natin, bike brands, if you want me to do a review on your bike or your brands, guys, feel free to get in touch. Alright, let's hop into the video. Check natin kung okay pa tong trail, and of course, check natin kung kakayanin ba ng hardtail natin itong Patiis Downhill Track. Nandito kami sa Patiis last August 17. So that was Saturday. Trail condition was good. Hindi umulan nung kinagabihan. So dito sa start medyo okay pa. However, pagdating dito sa fire road, medyo may mga ruts na, and at the same time hiwa-hiwalay na din yung mga bato. But still manageable. Dun lang sa last part ng fire road, medyo malaki na yung ruts. But then again, still manageable and still rideable. So on our third run or last run, dito kami sa dakdak dumaan, chinek namin kung okay pa yung mga rocky part natin. So far, may mga ruts na din upon entry dito sa dakdak. And going through, again, may mga ruts but still manageable, still rideable in my opinion. Medyo matataas lang nga lang yung damo. However, still rideable at this point. Alright, dito naman sa part ng pinag-akayan after ng dakdak. As you can see, malalim na yung mga ruts. So, this is probably the worst part dito ngayon sa Patiis. So, obviously you have to dub just to be able to pass through. So, dito kami dumadaan sa taas. So, kung pupunta kayo ngayon dito sa Patiis Downhill Track, I suggest dun muna kayo sa may view deck line or dun sa may place ni Boss Edmond. Rideable pa din siya, and in my opinion, mas sulit kung doon kayo dadaan kasi mas mahaba, and at the same time, hindi ganito katindi yung mga ruts na dadaanan nyo. Oh! And also dito sa way papunta sa highway, as you can see, may mga water pipes din dyan. Obviously dito dumadaan yung mga tubig, so nahukay na siya. Again, may mga ruts na din. At most cases, kailangan mo na mag-dub. And at the same time, doon na lang kayo muna dumaan sa taas or sa side ng mga ruts just to be able to pass through. But hindi naman siya ganun kalala compared doon sa pinakakaya part. Still rideable at this point. However, yun nga lang, merong mga parts na kailangan mo talaga mag-dub. So don't expect na makakapag full run ka from top to bottom. But then again, if you want a challenge, if you wanna train your skills dito sa mga technical descents, well, nandito lahat yan sa Patiis Downhill Track. Alright, condition ng highway. Highway still highway. Mapato, nakakapagod, nakaka-arm pump. Actually, pangatlong baba na namin ito and talagang ramdam ko na yung arm pump lalo dito sa last part ng Patiis, which is yung highway. And guys, be careful dito sa part na ito kasi baka ma-jump nyo siya kapag ngayon pa lang kayo dadaan. Medyo lumalim na yung hukay. However, kung babagalan nyo, passable naman yan dito sa may bandang right. So, my thoughts on the Speed 1 Spectrum 3, which is the aggressive hardtail from Speed 1 dito sa Patiis Downhill Track. Kaya ba nito na Speed 1 Spectrum 3 hardtail? Absolutely yes. Kayang-kaya niyan. Manageable, rideable, capable ang bike. Even though the bike is cheap, it is really capable. Depende na lang sa rider skills. But if we're talking about the frame alone, well, it's really capable. After ng ride ko dito sa Patiis, wala naman naging problema sa frame. Buo pa din siya. However, yung rider is pagod na pagod. Well, a hardtail is a hardtail, guys. And what you expect from such kind of a trail, which is Patiis Downhill, napakadaming rocks, napakadaming rats. Well, ihanda nyo lang yung mga tuhod nyo, ihanda nyo yung katawan nyo kung gusto nyo talaga magbabad. However, kung gusto nyo lang tingnan yung condition ng trail, well, no problem at all. Kaya-kaya nyo yan, guys. Alright, yan ang condition ng Patiis Downhill Track ngayon. Guys, please don't forget to pay the 50 pesos entrance fee dun sa taas kila Ate Joy. It goes a long way sa ating mga locals and mga porters na nagme-maintain ng track. I understand sometimes hindi talaga nagagalaw ang track because there's no point in doing it. Sayang lang ang money, time, and effort because masisira lang din sa ulan. Especially nowadays, rainy season here sa Philippines. However, nakikita naman natin ngayon na medyo nag-rehabilitate na sila ng track. So guys, please don't forget to pay the 50 pesos. Kawawa naman ang mga porters and mga locals natin na nagme-maintain dito sa Patiis Downhill Track. Sabi nga nila, you can either see the glass half full or half empty. Sa ibang mga riders, especially mga veterans, old school riders natin, probably they're okay with it. They don't mind if the track is not being rehabilitated kasi for them, training grounds itong Patiis Downhill Track with this kind of condition. However, most dun sa mga riders natin na nagbabayad ng entrance fee, they might see it na there's nothing being done on the track, especially when they're paying the 50 pesos assessment fee. And there's nothing wrong with that. Everybody has their own perspective. Actually, nung pumunta kami dito, nagbayad kami ng 50 pesos entrance fee, hindi na tinanggap ni Joy kasi according to her, hindi naman nag-rehab or wala naman sila munang ginagawang maintenance dito sa track. Because again, there's no point in doing so kung sisira lang din ng ulan. And if you ask me if I would suggest Patiis at this point, personally, rideable siya if you really want to train on this kind of terrain. Rugged, technical, na malalaking bato. Well, I would suggest go here sa Patiis. Old school na training grounds itong Patiis. Alright, that's it for this video. If you like this video, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe para updated kayo sa mga latest videos natin. And don't forget to leave your thoughts or if you have any questions, post it in the comment section below. And also, nandiyan din ang ating Speed 1 Spectrum 3 playlist just in case you wanna watch how I tested this bike on the different trails here in the Philippines. Alright, as always, enough talking. Let's hop on our bike and see you on the trail.